Hello friends, do you like chocolate? If yes, but worried about weight, cholesterol, etc., try Granola Chocolate Bar, made by Dulce, Pakistan. This granola bar includes roasted almond and different nuts, mixed seeds, dates, roasted oats, and dark chocolate. Prior to start recipe, I would request you to please subscribe our channel and share our videos with your friends and family. We already shared that how to roasted different ingredients and how to melt chocolate. For detailed videos please check description to get link. Add seeds, oats, nuts and dates in melted chocolate. Mix well and fill any mold. To set chocolate in molds, just tub and add some seeds on top of the bars. Now keep in freezer for 20 minutes and take it out. Granola chocolate bars are ready. I would also like to share few benefits of this granola bars. It will help to reduce cholesterol, boost energy, great source of vitamin E, great source of protein and fiber, also help to reduce weight. To motivate our team, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends.